Linear equations in two variables. In earlier classes you studied about linear equations in one variable in different forms. For example, x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, or 2 into x minus 1 plus 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 4 into 3x plus 5 equal to 0. You also studied linear equation in one variable in this form: 2x plus 1 by 3x minus 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. All these are different forms of linear equations in one variable. But an equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, is a linear equation in one variable in standard form. 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 5x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0, 7x plus 8 by 3 is equal to 0, and so on. So these linear equations are in one variable and written in standard form. You also studied about solution of linear equations in one variable. Any linear equation in one variable has only one unique solution. For example, if linear equation is x plus 1 equal to 0, then what is the solution of this linear equation in one variable? X equal to minus 1 is solution of this linear equation, because this is the only one value of the variable x which can satisfy the equation x plus 1 equal to 0. Like that, if 2x minus 6 equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable, then x equal to 3 is the only one value of variable x which can satisfy this linear equation in one variable, 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So for this linear equation also, this x equal to 3 is the only one solution. Like this, any linear equation in one variable has only one solution. You also studied about representation of solution of a linear equation in one variable on the number line. If you represent this solution x equal to minus 1 on the number line, it goes like this. First, let us draw a number line n 1, 2, 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So this is our number line, and on this line, number line, we have to represent this solution x equal to minus 1 of this linear equation x plus 1 equal to 0. So this point x equal to minus 1, this point x equal to minus 1 represents the solution of this linear equation on this number line like this. If you will represent solution of this linear equation 2x minus 6 equal to 0, which is x equal to 3, then this point will represent the solution of this linear equation on the number line. So if you have studied solution of linear equations in one variable and representing them on the number line, now let us consider a situation where two children together contributed rupees 100 towards a relief fund, and we have to represent this information in the form of an equation. Here the individual contribution of neither of the children is known. So this situation involves two unknown quantities, the individual contribution of one child and the individual contribution of the other child. So let us use x and y to denote the individual contribution of both the children. Let us assume that x and y be the contribution of both the children out of 100. Let us assume that this x denote the contribution of one child and y denote the contribution of the other child. Means the first child contributed rupees x and the second child contributed rupees y, and their total contribution is rupees 100. So we can write this information in terms of two variables x and y which both are unknown, like this: x plus y is equal to 100, or we can write x plus y minus 100 equal to 0. Here x is contribution of one child and y is contribution of the other child. This is the equation which represents the information in the given situation, where two children contributed total rupees 100 towards a relief fund, and contribution of neither of the children are known. So here x represents the contribution of one child and y represents the contribution of other child, and this equation x plus y minus 100 equal to 0 or even x plus y equal to 100 represent the informations in this given situations, or represents the situation involving two unknown variables x and y. Here coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is also 1. That can be different in some other different situations. Like this, we can write many more linear equations in two variables, like 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0, x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So all these are examples of linear equations in two variables, because they involve two variables x and y. Also exponent of variables x and y is 1. So such equations are linear equations. Because of exponent 1, these equations are linear, and because of involving two variables, they are equations in two variables. So they are linear equations in two variables, and like this you can also write many more linear equations in two variables. Now we shall see some examples, and before that we shall see some examples. In general, a linear equation can be written in this form: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Any equation of this form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b both are non-zero, is linear equation in two variables in standard form. These linear equations are also written in standard form. This linear equation is also written in standard form because they are written in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where coefficients of x and y and C, that is A, B, C, are real numbers and coefficient of x and y both cannot be 0. Example 1. Which of the following are in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c? In first part we are given an equation 2x plus 3y equal to 4 root 2, and we have to write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So transpose this 4 root 2 from right side to left side. So 2x plus 3y minus 4 root 2 is equal to 0. Now this equation 2x plus 3y minus 4 root 2 equal to 0 is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we can find a, b and c. So on comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a coefficient of x 2, b coefficient of y 3 and c constant term minus 4 root 2. Like this, second part is given x minus 4 is equal to root 3y. This on transposition can be written as x minus 4 minus root 3y is equal to 0, which can be further written as x minus root 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Now this given equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So on comparing this equation with the linear equation in standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we can write a is equal to 1 coefficient of x, b coefficient of y minus root 3 and c constant term minus 4. Like this, third part. In third part we are given 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. So transpose this 4 from left side to right side, and transposing 4 from left side to right side we have 0 is equal to 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us interchange the sides of the equation. We can write 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. And now this given equation 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 is in standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So comparing this equation with the standard form, we can write a equal to 5 coefficient of x, b equal to minus 3 coefficient of y, and c is equal to minus 4. Now fourth given equation is 2x is equal to y, which can be written as 2x minus y is equal to 0. This y is transposed from right side to left side, and so we have got 2x minus y equal to 0. Now this 2x minus y equal to 0 is also in standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Comparing this equation with the standard form, we can write a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, and there is no other constant term c in this equation 2x minus y equal to 0. That means c is equal to 0. To write each of the following as an equation in two variables. x equal to minus 5 and 5y is equal to 2. We are given in first part x is equal to minus 5, and we have to write this equation x equal to minus 5 as an equation in two variables. So this x equal to minus 5 we can write x plus 5 equal to 0. Here in x plus 5 equal to 0 there is only one variable x, and we have to write this equation in terms of two variables. So this is x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this equation x plus 0 into y plus 5 equal to 0 is a equation in two variables. X equal to minus 5 is a linear equation in one variable, which we have written as a linear equation in two variables like x plus 0 y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of y is 0, so 0 into any value of y will be 0, and ultimately we shall have x plus 5 is equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 5. Only we have written this given linear equation in one variable in terms of two variables x plus 0 y plus 5 equal to 0. Like that, second part we are given 5y is equal to 2. So which can be written as 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. This 2 is transposed from right side to left side. So we have got 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. Variable is y here. So this further we can write as 0 into x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Now this equation 0 into x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0 is written as an equation in two variables, that is written in the form of linear equation in two variables. So we were given 5y equal to 2 as linear equation in one variable, variable is y, and we have written the same linear equation in one variable as 0x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0, which is a linear equation in two variables.